Well, this is interesting. I'm out on the Point Venture Island, and after the big rain last night, it's lots of mud. Looks like no one's ventured out here yet. I don't see a single set of fresh tracks, so let's just see if the Big Red will take it on. Oh, don't put the window out, mud flying everywhere. Damn. Say the lake went up 4 inches. I just want to come down here and see, but looks like I'm going to get my truck filthy to do it. Woo, 4 inches higher. I'm not sure I can even tell. Hey, any rise is an improvement, right? We'll take it. Actually, I think I can tell it's risen a little bit, so got 4 inches less beach, I guess. All right, I'm gonna go right across the wet sand.